Citizens who fight our wars, pay our taxes, and contribute immeasurably to our nation are eligible to vote and to participate in our democracy, and they speak many languages in their homes all across the country. Every eligible voter should have the right to cast an informed and effective vote. They should have the right to a fair and equal access to the ballot. Language access is the key component of ensuring every citizen in this country has the same opportunity to make their voice heard. So, Congress amended the Voting Rights Act in 1975 to add Section 203. This section uses a population threshold formula to require that election information, including ballots and oral assistance, be provided in a language spoken by a significant number or percentage of citizens who do not speak English very well.
The population threshold is very high, so jurisdictions that have either more than 5% or more than 10,000 voting age citizens of a language minority group that also are limited English proficient. And so it's very difficult for jurisdictions to meet that threshold, and not all languages are included in Section 203.
It covers Spanish, Asian languages, Native American languages, and Alaska Natives, but not Arabic, Haitian Creole, Amharic, and many more. As the country grows more diverse, many people are being left out. State voting rights acts can go further than federal law to ensure that language barriers do not keep someone from exercising their right to vote. First, state VRAs can lower the threshold population needed for a community to receive language access protections. Second, they can expand the universe of languages covered. This means that more individuals can gain the assistance they need to exercise their right to vote.
Expanding language access means that these language minority groups that have been marginalized for so long, they're able to access the ballot box in a more meaningful and fair way.
Increasing language accessibility in voting for people who do not speak English well allows voters to vote an informed ballot on the high priority issues in their communities and to participate fully in this democracy. When these communities are equally able to make their voices heard and elect their candidates of choice, it can encourage elected officials to be more responsive to their concerns.
When we're talking about language access, these are communities that have been marginalized for so long that something as simple as getting a ballot in their language is a huge monumental thing in their life. I think we can all agree that voting in the US is a pretty complex system and process. And so allowing folks to vote in their preferred language is just giving a level of access that aren't even, I don't think, words to really capture like what that means for a voter.
Thanks for watching LDF and CAP's State Voting Rights Act's Video Explainer Series. In this video, our experts discussed how state voting rights acts can expand voting rights through language access.
To learn more about the essential components of state voting rights acts and how they can help us build an inclusive, multiracial democracy, check out our websites and follow along with this Video Explainer Series.